Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can trim audio on TikTok. Select the plus button, and then I am just going to select a sound. So add sound here. I'm just going to choose this one. Oops, sorry. I'm going to select it, and as you can see, there is like a cut button here. Select the button. And here you can trim the audio by just dragging it here and there. But you can only do it like in a very specific amount of time. You can't like do it here, I think. Select done. You can, I think, adjust it later. I'm just going to record something first. And if I go to adjust clips, I can trim the audio here. So if I go back, let's press cancel. If I go back and select adjust clips here, I can then trim the audio or make the audio a bit longer. Just press save when you're done. That's it. Hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!